The CM Expert directory allows you to create a site with a comprehensive directory of experts. In this video, we will create a new directory of experts and go over the different configurations. Let's add the first expert. Head to the WordPress admin dashboard, CM Expert Directory Pro, Add Expert. You will be able to fill detailed information for your new expert. We can add a name, overview, publications, education, experience, taxonomies, tags, additional links and fields, image and video gallery, documents, Google Maps address, and social media links. The directory page is automatically created upon plugin installation in this address. It's a normal page with a shortcode CMED expert, which outputs your experts. You can configure how it looks by default by heading to the plugin settings directory appearance tab. In this page, you can decide options such as default template, filters, experts by page, and the default sorting order. Another important setting in the directory is regarding filters. In other words, how users narrow down and search the directory. We can display filters as drop-down or tags. Display or hide the search field, and show or hide the category, expertise, service, language, tags, and custom taxonomies. Head to the Expert Page tab. Now let's match the page to our site's identity. We can change the default country, page colors, show or not expert picture, publish date, update date, comments, back to directory link, expert email address, publications, education, experience, documents, show or hide custom taxonomies, show or hide additional links, and also what are their labels and related experts. Expert directory is flexible in that you can configure a series of fields and choose to display them or not. Custom taxonomy works like categories or tags and is searchable, ideal for concepts shared by many experts. And custom fields, which are simple text fields, ideal for unique values. You can enable or disable and rename taxonomies from the Taxonomies tab. They will apply to both directory and profile page. The custom link settings are in the Expert Page tab. Set Show Additional Custom Links to Yes, and you will be able to see these fields when editing an expert. Choose a label and icon for up to 4 custom links. Custom fields are similar, and the settings are just below additional links in the Expert Page tab. If your site is not in English, that's okay. The CM Expert directory lets you translate the most important front-end labels to your language of choice. To do so, head to the Labels tab.